And I filled out for register 11 in all the different spots. And don't forget, double check just to make sure that all your register numbers are marked down all along the way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add up all the rows. So in order to find out how many total Indos we sold for the day, I need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So I'm adding the hot from both registers and the cold from both registers, and that's going to give us the total. So Indos, it's 0, 0, 13, and 6, so we've got 19. Apartments, 1, 6, and 3, so that's 10. Family, 1, 1, that's 2, plus 11 is 13, plus 6 is 19. 4 and 3 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 9 is 21. And don't laugh at me if I'm getting any math problems wrong because I'm doing it on the phone. Oh, and I forgot to fill in a couple of these spots. If there was no numbers on the slip, it means that it was 0 sold. Okay, so Indos, no veg, we got 0, 0, 1, 0. So that gets a 1. 0, 0, 3, 9 gets a 12. 1, 3, that's 4, 7, 10. 3, 3, that's 6, plus 8 is 14, plus 0. Okay, and these ones are a little easier because it's just 2 numbers. So we got 14, 3, 1, 2, 1, 12, 3. Now down here, the half dozens, you have to do another math problem. So here we've got 4 plus 4, that would equal 8. And now I want to divide it by 2 so that it helps you figure out how many dozens instead of half dozens that equals. So if we get 8 half dozens, that equals 4 dozens. So now 4, we carry that over to here. And now we do the dozens. I have 7 plus 5, and I'm going to put that number over here. It's 12. So now we add 4 to the 12, and that's 16. So that tells me we have 16 total dozens. So now over here, we're going to add up the dessert pies and the cornbread. All right, so those are done. So now these numbers, it's the total sold. All these numbers that I'm circling here for you. These are going to be the ones that are going to go on your inventory sheet. So now I'm going to put this aside and bring back the inventory sheet that, remember, I told you has the new sold column. Okay, so I'm going to take this, and we printed this out so it's in the exact same order as the inventory sheet, so it'll be easy to fill out. So all we have to do is take the numbers from here and put them here. So we're going to back it up a little bit. So we could see Indos, that's 19. So that is going here. We got 10, 19, 21, 1, 12, 10, 14. Frozen, you don't do anything. That's just, doesn't matter. And now you're going to go over to your mash and stuff like that. So I got 14, 3, 1, 2, 1, 12. Oh, I messed up. Okay. So 14 wasn't for the mash. I forgot to add my 6 and my 9. So that's a 15. So I'm going to go over and just scribble this out. So I need to redo these because I wrote the wrong number to start. So we got 15, 14, 3, 1, 2, 1, 12, 3, and hopefully you guys will do this neater than I'm doing, but it's hard to record myself. Okay, and then over here we're going to do the rolls. So the number that you're looking for is total rolls 16. So it's the 16 that's going to go in this spot because it says total in dozens. All right, and then we're going to do apple 4, blue 4, cornbread 12. And I put those over there. And that is it. And then you would take this and fax it along as usual. That's it. Thanks.